Okay. So I'm audible to you and everyone, guys. My voice is clear. So I have a throat pain. So
Yes,
my
sir.
voice is
Yes.
little different. Okay. So what is an IT organization? What is IT services? Different organization, their services that we discussed. What is meant by service desk? What is what is service desk? Analyst will do these things. We'll see that about a customer and means our organization providing services to another organization means to our customers or a client. Okay, so that information, what service we are providing, okay, that use of the service and support related to the service is mentioned in a document called SLA. SLA is a service level agreement between customer and service provider. And that cycle also we discussed, right? If customer got an issue or a query, he wants some information or maybe he need a certain access of resources or a service changes, or maybe he got an issue, he will inform to the service desk. In the service desk, that information put it in a document called ticket. The ticket is assigned to the specific technical team. The specific technical team based on the what technical requirements by the client. Okay, that technical team, okay, the ticket will assign to that related technical team only, but based on the customer technical requirement. So this technical team are having members, IT employees are technical members, are technical agents, service desk agents, service desk analyst, all names are same only. Different technical team with a different technical knowledge and experience. Okay, so once a team receive a ticket, so the person who is available right now will take the ticket, check the ticket information. If required, they'll contact the customer and get the more information and provide a support to the customer. Provide support to the customer in resolving customer issue or maybe fulfill the customer requirement. So through telephone or email or live chats or remote access tools, also they will provide support. Depends upon the requirement, depends upon the situations. Okay. So once it is done, they close the ticket. Which our service desk analyst close the ticket. And finally, the point is the customer required something, some information, a change of service or access of permissions, and maybe got an issue. So that should be fulfilled. Means the issue, you got issue, it should be resolved. You need information, you got the information, you want a change of services, that changes will be done. This is the total cycle. This is the base cycle to understand everything what we are discussing. Okay, that's the base point. Just I'm giving quick review, guys. It's quick points like that. Okay, this faster. Again, here it is. The customer, what we are saying, it is our organization providing services to another organization. But service desk team, the teams, different technical teams, works for the customers, means they're providing support to their customers. These customers can be internal customer or external customers. Internal customers are nothing but employees of same organization. Means I'm a customer. Okay, I'm a customer. I need something. So I need a virtual machine to practice the Linux thing, or maybe I need a database server access, or maybe I need a mail changes, mail account password I forget it. I need a mail account password should be resetted. So I'm working in a to whom I have to get it from my organization technical people only. So I am working in 70s. The people who are supporting are providing solution or maybe fulfilling my requirement. by the other technical people. Maybe there are desktop support people, a system administrator, or email administrator. So they will fulfill. Those are all service desk analyst people. All are service desk analyst people. The technical names are different. Common name is service desk analyst. Okay. So they will fulfill my requirement. I forget my password. They will change my password. They reset my password. They provide a new password. I need some installation or configuration in my laptop. They will provide that configuration in my system. My laptop is not working, so desktop support person will try to resolve that issue. Okay. So I'm an internal customer, external customer. For example, Savant is getting a service from another organization. From Microsoft, we are getting Office 365 services. From SAP, we are getting some SAP related tools we are getting. Or maybe Keka software is there. We are using HR portal. That's a Keka software. So for Keka, for that organization, we are a clients. We got an issue. I'm a HR. I'm getting an issue with this software. Some entries or some error it is throwing when I'm adding new employee. So I'm raised the ticket. I'm getting an error when I'm adding a new employee or changing some employee information. So they will provide support. Okay. So me as a HR, for example, me as a HR, I'm an external customer to the my ERP company, KK ERP company. For that company, I'm an external customer. Inside a company, I'm an internal customer. Okay. So they're like things. External customers are external to our organization. So we are service provider. We have a customer who is outside of our organization. Means if there can be other organization people or maybe some individual people. There are external customers. So these external customers are either organizational wise or individual wise. Individual customers, we call them as retail or a public customers. Organization-based customers, we are call them as clients. Clients are customers. Okay. So that's what it is. It's like customer. Because normally we hear the customer means generally people will call you are supporting Jio or Airtel. Okay. And you call them and my recharge is completed. Why I'm not able to get over data. Okay. Why my Wi-Fi is not connecting. No. Those are all retail-based customers. You are dealing with an organization-based customer, external organization. Okay. So customer means not only that one point. So there is different types of customers are there. First of all, you should understand. Okay. And just going faster. Why? Because already we discussed yesterday. Just I want to quick recollecting your memory. As I said, when customer, either internal or external customer, need a kind of information or change of service, some request is there, some request has to be fulfilled, or maybe change of services, or maybe there is an issue. They reach a service desk. Once they reach a service desk, a ticket is created. Then what is this ticket? Ticket is a document. Anything comes to the service desk, its ticket is created. It contains information about when ticket is occurred. Okay, when it has to be resolved, what is the priority of the ticket, and who raised this ticket, who raised this ticket, who is the customer organization, location, customer location. Customer can be internal customer, but location not be Hyderabad, maybe it's different location. Customer may be from Wipro. My customer is my Wipro organization, for example, just for example. Or a customer is from HCL. Customer is from some poster or some, okay, some other organization, Del Monte. So some other organization, customer. Okay. Customer from me, any organization. It's from any location also. From maybe it's from India, maybe from New York, or maybe from Melbourne, like that's the customer location. Contacts information, customer contact information, and how the customer reaches the service desk. How the customer reaches service desk. How we reach the customer. Okay. So those information and what is customer requirements? That's very important, right? what is their requirement, what is their issues, understand it, and then, okay. So this is what it is, ticket contains. Sometimes a ticket may be resolved by, handled by one person, one technical person, or multiple technical persons. Different teams has to be involved to resolve one ticket. So it either it way. And types of tickets also is seen as, right? Incident, service request, alert ticket. This incident and service request ticket. So as said, if customer got an issue, you received a issue related ticket in something like their laptop is not working, a backup is failed, server is down, network is failure, internet is not working, Wi-Fi is not connecting, unable to log in. Okay, so these are all incidents, not working, broken. Okay, so these are all incidents. Service request tickets means if customer required something, customer required a virtual machine, customer need a remote access permission, customer need a certain change of something. Okay, certain change is required, change of services, change of access permissions. Customer forget his password, you have to change the password. Okay, like that. Okay, it's a service request. Service request is something they want new or access or change. Okay, a customer need a VPN access, like that. Incident means broken, not working kind of stuff. If based on what ticket you received, it can be instant ticket or service request ticket. Sometimes you receive a tickets from monitoring tools also. Those are all alert tickets. Monitoring tools monitor your your infrastructure, right? Your servers, your server running application, services, network, data, storages, backups, all these things, it will monitor what's going on with your infrastructure. Monitor. So while monitoring, so it will find something, suddenly a server is down. The monitoring tool got that information, yes, server is not responding from last 2 minutes. So it may be possible down. Immediately it will send that notification to the services software, create a ticket called alert ticket. Alert ticket. Alert tickets come from monitoring tools. Okay, from monitoring tools, alarms or alerts, messages, and notifications. So then automatically ticket is created. You see the ticket and immediately have to give a response or forward ticket to the field team. The people who are go and check the physically, you can also fill it. So it depends upon the situation, you will handle that one. Okay, these are the ticket: incident ticket, alert ticket, service request ticket. First is incident ticket, next service request ticket, alert ticket. So these tickets you are receiving, but which ticket we have to handle first? Okay, depends upon its priority. Every ticket has a priority: normal priority, medium priority, low priority, high priority, very high priority, critical priority, like that. So different names are there. Depends upon the priority. We'll handle the ticket first. These priorities depends upon the issue. The priorities based on the what issue it is occurred, and it is the priority level is finalized by impact on the users, impact on the business also. Something is not working, high priority. Okay, it's high priority. But so only one system is not working. Obviously, it is low impact, very one user impact. Multiple systems are down. The entire room is network disconnected. Server is down. Then impact is more. One server down, more number of users will disconnected. More number of services are down. The connected services, dependent services are disturbed. So impact is more. So obviously it is become higher priority. The priorities, the level finalized by impact on the users, impact on the business. P1, P2, P3, P4 are generally the levels we are talking. In an organization, what are the name they use it for P1, P2, P3, P4? Like a medium or normal, low or slow, low or normal, or like that. They use any name order, high, medium, low, very low, like that, or maybe low, medium, high, very high. But remember, guys, the starting one P1 is always high, high one. Okay, always very fast. Okay, very high. Okay, it's P1. So immediately you have to go and resolve it. P1 and P, then little lesser. Okay, priority is little lesser for P2, then P3, then P4, like this. You are going P4, P5, like that. It is, the priority is as a levels are slowing down. Okay, low priority means you got more time, so then you can fix it. Means low priority tickets are less impact on the users, or less impact on the business. High priority ticket means more impact on the business or more impact on the users. So simple. Okay. So P1 is always top. Okay. Ranking wise. First rank, second rank, third rank, fourth rank. Okay. Remember that. Next. As I said, guys, you receive a P1 ticket. So it is always having resolution time is less. Any ticket we receive, we have to give response. First, we have to give a response to the ticket and resolve the ticket by the given time. Depends upon this priority. Organizations agree with their customers with a different resolution times. Depends upon the organizations also. Some organizations provide 24/7 support. Some organizations provide 24/5. 24/5 means only 5 days. Monday to Friday support only. Saturday, Sunday, no support. Okay. Monday to Friday support only. 24/7. Again, that's 24/7 means always support, including weekdays, weekends, nothing. 24/7 company will provide a support. Okay. And shifts wise working is 24/7 means 24 hours shifts are run. Okay. Some organization will go with the morning to evening. 5 days a week, 8 hours per day. 8 hours per day, Monday to Friday, support only. Some organizations, special teams are there. Saturday, Sunday teams also there. Okay. So that's sometimes it depends upon organization and depends upon the client. Okay. So what the support they require. And next one is depends upon seriousness of the business, client business. Also, they need these faster resolutions. So faster resolution time requirement means more billing. So they agree with the faster resolution times. Some organization go with the regular resolution times because their impact is on their businesses are very less in case of the service related issues are occur as compared to other organizations. Okay. So it depends upon the billing. So depends upon the client agencies, client business impacts. Okay. So that is so this is response and resolution time. You receive a ticket, depends upon its priority. There is a resolution time. You have to resolve the ticket by the given resolution time. Okay. Sometimes people use instead of resolution time, they use due time. Due time. Instead of resolution, you can also say due time. See, understand the word, guys. Don't be sticky on the words. Words are sentences. Don't be sticky. So resolution means resolution. No need. So due time is also similar one. If you understand the flexible with the wording is also important. Okay. Mm. Okay. So These are the main important things. That's why I just a quick revise and these 2 points also. This point is also important. Then we'll go to the other things. What is this? How to reach service desk or how service desk getting an information. This service desk is a platform. Already I told service desk is a platform. Service desk, the point of service desk is to provide single point of contact. Service desk is to provide single point of contact to between to single point of contact to our customers, our users, our clients, and our IT employees teams. Okay, it's provide a single point of contact. For example, I'm a customer. I want some technical issue. I got some technical issues. Okay. So it has to be resolved. How can I reach that specific technical person from my service provider? So I will reach what they will provide. Service provider provide some kind of a platform, email platform or a telephone platform or a web portal platform, website platform or a mobile application platform. So we'll try to reach to their service desk through any of these. We'll give that our requirement, our information, our issue information. In there, the ticket is created and it is assigned to that specific technical person. He will contact us to get what is the actually happen, what are further more details and supporting purpose. Okay. So it making a communication. I'm a technical person. I'm a desktop support engineer. I don't know what my client is getting an issue. What is their requirement? By sitting in a office in front of my system, I don't know. If customer inform, then only I will get to know, right? So there is a two people duty. Okay, customer has to inform. I should verify. I should get that information from the service desk. Okay, as a ticket. So once I receive ticket, then only I can able to know someone needs help. I will can able to provide help. Or like someone need a support, I can able to provide a support to them if I receive a ticket only. So who is providing this communication is between is a service desk, single point of contact. But how this service desk again get this information? So sometimes directly. So in certain organization, internal can reach the service desk directly. So they need some kind of solution. They can reach the service desk. Okay. Help desk people are there, service desk people, desktop support engineer, system administrator. If they know who is the person and they will reach it and they'll create a ticket and resolve the ticket for you. Telephone companies will provide a specific telephone number for support number or mobile number, voice or IP phone numbers also provided. Cell phone number, communication. Voice or IP does not work, don't work on this telephone communications. There is a telephone, but it's not your regular telephone communication, not with any broad telecom network. It go through IP network, the communication based on the IP network. Email. Companies provide an email address, support@sevantis.com, email ID. So then they'll send a mail. So then they will get a support from that mail. They will get a support. Okay. Providing through email, applications, website, self-help portals. Okay. Monitoring tools. From monitoring tools also will get information. In service desk, we use different softwares for providing web portal based accesses, self-help portal based accesses, to create a ticket, managing the ticket, to create a ticket, managing the ticket, closing the ticket, follow up the ticket, ticket based communications. To do that one, lot of softwares are available. Some I put it here. So what are the common service desk software? What are there? ServiceNow. ServiceNow is nowadays more popular service desk tool. GLPA, Zoho, Zendesk, Freshworks, OS Ticket, BMCLX, ITSM. Not only this, there is a lot of other service desk software is also available. Okay. And what are the monitoring tools in our IT organizations? Use different monitoring tools for monitoring our infrastructure, applications, data, storages, network, security. All these things we will be unable to monitor. While monitoring, we generate lot of events. If the event is any alert or any error or warning type of event is generated through alerts notification, we send that information to our service desk. And in the service desk, that ticket is created, depends upon the technical, so that it will assign to the technical member. What are these monitoring tools? So a lot of monitoring tools are there. So one of the popular ones, NIGOS, SolarWinds, NPM, SolarWinds NPM, SolarWinds ORIEN, so PRTZ, Zabbix, Op Manager, Grafana, Prometheus. So not only these are a lot of monitoring tools also there. Okay. And log tools also there. Analyzer tools also there. Like a Wireshark is a network analyzer tool. Okay. Application monitoring tools also there. App Dynamics. Application monitoring tool. Okay. This is how to reach service desk. All remaining, I told like what is the L0, L1 position. Mostly, I think it is, you mostly will be in a L1 position. Otherwise, you will go to the L0 position, not L2, definitely. As a fresher, either L0 or L1 depends upon your technical knowledge and experiences. To go to the higher level, you need an experience and technical knowledge. Also, we discuss about different types of service desk, like centralized service desk, local or distributed service desk, virtual service desk, specialized service desk. I discussed about a ticket life cycle also. Okay, ticket life cycles and support life cycles also similar type on it. So here it is. You can also tell instead of support life cycle, I will tell this answer also. The thing is, in ticket lifecycle, first ticket has to be created either by user or by help desk team. We're going to create a ticket, right? Ticket is created. For either you receive information through email, portal, or by telephone. So we receive something and the ticket is created. Okay. User reports an issue via email, portal, or telephone call. Unable to access shared drive. Example. So once you receive, ticket is created. And this ticket is categorized and prioritized. So what type of ticket? Okay. What type of ticket it is? Okay. So it is unable to access shared drive. Accessing related basic one. Okay. Network issue it is. Network based. Priority. What kind of priority? Is a one person issue or maybe impact on the business, impact on the users? So we prioritize, categorize and prioritize. What type of ticket is the incident ticket, service request ticket? What kind of network related? Server related, storage related. So what's categorized? Based on this category, we assign the ticket to that related technical team. So categorize, assign, prioritize. Focus, prioritize, and assign. Investigation and diagnosis. So whenever it is assigned to a service desk agent, the person take the ticket and understand what is the ticket contains, and if need more information, get it information from the customer, user, or client. Okay, investigate what happened and checking the logs or using certain tools, find out what is actually happened and understand. So investigation and diagnosis. Finally, we find a solution, suitable solution for our issue and try the solution. So once solution is working, fixed, make sure it is fixed. Resolution and recovery. Once it is fixed, issue is resolved, and it is confirmed by the customer, we close the ticket. We close the ticket and take the feedback from the customers. It depends upon the organizations. Okay. So this is the ticket life cycle. You don't need to tell as it is, guys, but don't interchange anything. But what are you understand from it, either from the support life cycle or from this answer? You can take it and or you can search for this same question in different places and get the proper. Which one is correct one? I'm not talking. Which one is you're telling easily? That is the correct answer. Hmm. So what are the last one? We didn't discuss small points and then we'll discuss those things. Okay, just I need a 10 minutes. Okay, then we'll take a break. I already shared one 30 questions link, right? Okay, you can go through it, find these questions and answers also. But you can understand what is the first of all situations, then we'll see. What is service desk? We understand service desk analyst too. What is service desk analyst? Who is service desk analyst? Service desk analyst is a technical person who is providing technical support to their customers, either internal customer or external customers. Depends upon what place you is working, what project is working, what kind of team is working. Okay, you will provide the support to the internal or external customers. Provide support to the customer. That's it. The customers can be internal or external. Okay. So this service desk analyst work on the technical part. Okay, it's not a non-technical, it's a technical one, but support related. Handling different kind of stuff. And basically, like just for example, basically like a installation of softwares, configurations, troubleshooting system issues, network issues, configuring of network, IP addresses, printers. So common. So once you gain experience and knowledge on other domains, then you will work on other domains also. Like for example, you learn about networking, you mainly focus on the networking side. Configuration of routers, switches, maintenance, troubleshooting, okay, monitoring of networking related components. For example, you learn about Windows servers. Then you will become server administrator and managing servers, installation, configurations, okay, maintenance, troubleshooting, monitoring, okay, updations and upgradation of the servers. Similar for other things like Linux or Windows, DevOps, cloud, virtualization, email administration. So all these things are a similar type of. Okay. So that's, and of course you have to respond to the telephone call, email, live chats or other communications. So simply say what a service desk analyst will do it. Understand customer issues, understand customer requirements. Providing initial support to the customers, providing information to the customers, try to resolve the customer issues and fulfill the customer requirements. If required, you can escalate an issue to the higher levels. Ticket management. Doing ticket management. Create a ticket. Raising the ticket. Escalating the tickets. Monitoring ticket status. Is ticket is still open or closed? Okay. Service. These are all concepts. This is what is service desk analyst. This is your profile, guys. You are providing support to the customer, mainly external customers, means other organizations. So they need a technical support. You are providing technical support. Okay, depends upon the customer and technical. That's once you are inside, then you will get to know. Mm. So to become a service desk analyst or help desk person, what are the abilities required? So this part also we can ask another way. Why should I select you? What are the things you have? What are the capabilities you are having to become a service desk analyst, to get selected in this profile? Anyway, the question can be asked. The thing is, what are your abilities or what abilities required or what abilities you are having for this profile? You have a good communication skills. So I have a good communication skills. Answer is like I have a good communication skills. I am ability to listen to the others. Good problem solving skills. Good problem solving skills. Okay. Thinking out of box. Ability to work with the teams as well as solo. Ability to work with the teams. Good team player as well as solo. Solo also you can able to work. And you are be patient to listen to the others, understanding others and other situations and providing solutions as quickly as possible. Understanding of issues. Okay. So these are our capabilities. Okay. Listening to the others, your ability to present your thoughts clearly. Okay. You be patient even in a tense situations. Any tense situation is there, be patient. Okay. You have a good communication skills and good technical skills. You have a technical skills and good problem solving skills. So I put a 3 only, but you can put a 6 or 7 for this one. Okay. How to handle the technical things to non-technical user. How to handle a non-technical users. In case of your customer is a non-technical person, is not able to understand your the technical language of yours. The technical words is unable to understand, not quickly as. Okay. Maybe he's a HR manager. 1 second, guys. Okay. So if a person, maybe is a HR manager or maybe is a software developer, but he didn't understand what is using. For example, you're telling about a Docker container. He's not understanding what is this container, okay, what it is, where it is located. It's not direct technical person. He's not know that about. You don't know about server. You don't know about a virtual machine. You don't know about a putty. You don't know about SSH. But you know it, but he don't know. But even is a some other maybe a software developer don't know about other infrastructure related kind of stuff. So how do you explain it? And maybe it's a non-technical, completely non-technical use. So it's an accountant, or maybe it's an HR. You don't know how to log into the remote server access purpose, or maybe it's remote application accounting software. You don't know how to do. Okay, something like. So how to explain that one? So you have to use a common words using simple and common words. Okay, basic words, not pure technical words. Okay, use the common words. Okay, based on his idea, so you have to tell it. Symbolic words. So, for example, I want to connect it to Wi-Fi. Okay, that is my requirement. But how you will support? Is other person is not technical person. So what you will tell? So go to the left side of, right side, sorry, right side of your monitor corner, right side corner, right side bottom corner. There you can see date and time, a battery symbol, and a globe symbol or Wi-Fi symbol. So there is a globe symbol with cross mark, means not yet connected. Click on that one and it will show you the all Wi-Fi connection names. Do you know your Wi-Fi connection name? Yes. Click on that Wi-Fi connection name. Ask for the password. And if you know the password, yes, then type the password. Click OK. Then click connect. It will be connected. Once it is connected, it show globe symbol gone. Wi-Fi symbol is appear. Okay. So like that, how the symbol is look like, how it is, where it is look like. Okay. So like that also we can guide them to solve. It's a common, guys. It's like it's generally you don't do that. So general all other side also technical like there. But thing is, it's like in an interview question. It is. It's a repeated question in an interview. That's why it was. How to handle a frustrated customer. This is the most frequently question is how to handle a frustrated customer. Why customer is got frustrated? So he didn't get a response. You got a, you didn't get a proper response from your applicants. Hmm? He didn't get a proper response, faster response, he didn't get it. Maybe issue is occurred earlier, it's resolved, it fixed earlier, but it is repeating, keep on repeating issue it is. Okay. Or maybe issue is not yet fixed. It look like temporarily fixed, but it's not really fixed. Just keep on getting upon. So automatically the customer, any person will get frustrated. But frustrated does not mean something is goes bad. No. You have to wait. Let a customer speak. Let customer tell information. Understand it. Understand it. Check the what is the previously happened. What happened for previously? Who handled this ticket? Okay. What happened previously? Check the history of the customer. Check the history with the customer. Okay. So listen to the customer. Understand his situation. Okay. Provide proper information to the customer. Be calm and peace and provide a proper information to the customer. Proper information. Okay. And provide a solution as soon as possible. In case you are unable to handle, okay, you are a service desk analyst. So ours is SLM, service level management. What is service level management? To make sure the customer should get a service or not. Service level management is responsible for make making sure the customer is getting service or not. Customer is getting service or not. That is a SLM. In case customer unable to get service, there is an issues. Okay, there is a balance. So who is going to take care? BLM, business level management. Business level management will involve when service level management is not fulfilled 100%, is unable to fulfill the customer things. Okay, so how to handle the frustrated customers? First, we'll try. Okay, we try to be patient, listen to the customer, check the customer history, and try to provide a proper information. Try to provide a solutions to the customer. Okay, try to fix the customer issues. Okay, that's what we will do. If unable to resolve the issue, we'll escalate to the higher levels. Even that is also not working, we'll hand out to the BLM team. Business level management team will handle the customer. Okay, so that's the point, guys. We should understand what's actually happens in an organization. It's not always one single window. It's multiple windows are there. Just in case you are having that problem, that's in case really you are facing that issue, really are facing that kind of situation. Only one thing is ask your senior. Okay? Ask your senior or maybe your team leader, immediately report to the team leader, this particular customer more irritating, what I have to do it. Okay? So you have a rights, they have a rights, both are having rights, and both are not having rights also. Certain rights not having. Okay? So earlier days, that's people take it as a granted, and that is different era. Okay, so that is retail customers calling and irritating the service provider support people. Okay, that's a 20 years back. That's different era. Now it is not there. Now it's not there means people are not having that much time to do that kind of thing. Okay, even anyway, you are not handling this retail customer. You are handling um, what is this? It is an organization-based customers only. Even there is a situation, you are try to find it in case it is happened. You try. If you are unable to do it, just report to your team leader or manager. Simple. Okay. But that's not an answer in your interview. What is the first 3 points I told? That is an answer in your interview. Okay. Be calm. Understand what is the customer situation. Check the past history with the customer and find out, provide some proper information based on the current issue and provide a solution to the customer as quickly as possible. Make sure it is completely resolved or escalate an issue to the higher level to find a permanent solution. Okay, so make it as a problem management ticket and find the incident ticket, but make it as a problem management ticket, find the permanent solution. So it depends upon situation. You do it. That's an answer. Remaining is the original things inside happen. Okay, inside happen. Knowing is better, guys, always. So not only these questions, guys, there are a lot of other questions also available. We'll see that one later. So what you will do now, this few important things are there. So one is like a SOP, KDB, troubleshooting model, SLA violation, holding, transfer, escalations. SLA, OLA use. Then there is some terminologies also there. We'll go into it. Now take a break, guys. Back in 10 minutes. Okay. 11:40 now. So be back in 11:50. Okay. Take a 10 minutes break. Be back in. And morning, we will get less time.